How to fix 99 plus hours left while downloading a game on PS4. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can solve 99 plus hours left while downloading a game on PS4. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So when you're trying to download a certain game sometimes, so let me go to notifications and go to downloads. And if it says 99 plus hours left over here, the most likely issue here is your internet connection. So first of all, make sure your internet connection is working very fine, it's as smooth as butter, and make sure it's very speedy. Second thing, download only one at a time. So here in this case, you can see I'm only downloading Fortnite right now. I will not download any other game until I finish this particular download. So make sure that you download completely. If it doesn't work, then first you can also try to cancel the download by simply selecting it and then going to delete option and clicking on the delete option to cancel the download. Then go to your PlayStation Store and restart the download. Also, one simple tip is to simply restart your PlayStation by simply going to power options and from here clicking on restart PS4, and once you restart your PS4, just resume the download process and you should be fine this time else. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.